have one or many workflows. And talking about then the final piece of configuration, when you actually want to design your solution, it is important to say that you can have, within your tenant, you can have one or many applications. Each application can have one or many pages and sub pages. You can basically design a solution in a way that you can go from one page to another page in hierarchy. So you can define the hierarchy of and the relationship between pages in a way that you want. And then on each page, you basically define how you would like to display the information. So here you have a list of available widgets. You can see that, for example, on the first screen, there are only 2 buttons. So you can have a page which basically have 2 buttons. And then when you click on a button, one button can take you to a page which shows a table and cards. Another one can show you the form. It is up to you how you will design the application, and we are going to show this in demonstration. The idea is also that everything regarding the layout can be configured, and we have this grid system. So basically, you can drag and drop elements, resize them in a way that suit your needs. And also, as I already said, you can do that for different screens as well. We are going to show that later on. I would also like to highlight how the permissions are constructed. So basically, you can have, as you would expect, you can have users in the groups. Group users you don't have to list them one by one. They can be part of the group. We can sync groups from the Active Directory. We can have the manually defined groups, property-based groups, etc. And then an access list holds like subjects, like the users or groups. And then you also